Well, guess what? They're trying to push me out of the race. Well, let me say this as clearly as I can. I'm staying in the race. I'll beat Donald Trump. I will beat him again in 2020.
Today, I remember where I am. You're my fellow man, just listen up when they strive. 3.5 years took this nation on a ride. America's economy, the strongest in the world. We'll build it one nation, let that flag be unfurled. Corporate boss see me get what they need. Affordable healthcare, a record number free. Critically needed care for a million in despair. Housing substances, we tackle but we care. Come so far, America, look at what we've done. The pandemic start to the bright rising sun. Together we're stronger, united we stand. We are the United States, this land. First gun safety law in 30 years, we got it right. Appointed the first black woman Supreme Court's high side. Historic climate legislation the world's never seen. America leading the way, keeping the planet clean. None of this alone, you know it's true. American people, this victory's for you. Through once in a century, pandemic came to renew. The worst economic crisis still we grew. Come so far, America, look at what we've done. The pandemic start to the bright rising sun. Together we're stronger, united we stand. We are the United States, this land. Greatest honor of my life, serving as your president. The election was my plan, my time is now spent. As interest of the country, it's time to stand down. Fulfilling my duties, no need for a crown. Thanks to Kamala, my partner in the fight. The American people, we kept our dreams in sight. Appreciation for the faith and trust. Together we can do it, in unity we must trust.